It's now 11 o'clock. The earlier footage was shot around 9 o'clock. And we are getting into this much snow now, maybe 5 inches now at this time, and it's still coming down. And we're going to take a walk out here.
See these pine trees moving?
Round down here.
It's really blowing.
Hey, boo! No! I fell over. Nanya, ow! Got me. What do you think, Mommy? Now, when was the last time you saw snow like this? How long has it been?
Not long enough.
You appear to be under media duress.
I can't remember when I've seen snow this deep. Probably the last time I was in Vermont in the wintertime. And you saw snow there then.
It is. Wow. Here, Travis, climb up there again. Here, let me help you up. Over here, over this way a little bit. Right there, now jump. Jump. Where's my hat? Jeez. Okay.
This is too much.
Okay.
Come on, let's go in. You had enough? Oh, yeah. Got enough?
Can you climb up? Gosh, that's deep. Alright, don't fall. You are covered with ice, pal. Whoops! I fell. Yeah, he fell. What we're looking at here is a lake that's up the street from our house. There's still some geese, confused geese. The wind is still gusting. It'll go from pretty calm like right now to ferocious gust. Houses along the lake. You can see the northerly winds have hit the north side of the trees with snow. comes another gust. These are big trees. These are trees that are 3 stories high, 4 stories high. And now I'm starting to lose my balance here. Really out over the lake now. Dumps of snow falling on me. I hear something cracking back here. In fact, this branch just came down with that gust right there. So that tells me I probably shouldn't be in this spot any longer.
Morning.
It's a new day, isn't it?
Yes.
The snow's over?
Not yet.
Oh, I think there's not a cloud in the sky. Well, we've come back to the lake where we shot video yesterday.
Yeah.
And this is the spot where I shot video yesterday,
Oh, there?
where that tree fell down. I was standing right there yesterday, and sometime after I left, that tree just fell down. Now, when I was standing here earlier, this piece of tree over here fell back there. But I realize now that I should not have been here, because these trees, it's very pretty today, but this tree fell down, and back in that backyard there's another tree that fell down.
Where?
Can you see back in that backyard?
Where, over here?
Uh-huh. That's a tree that fell down. And here's Cheryl.
I fell down too.
Oh.